Hi, I'm Martin Williamson. I'm here at the National Fluid Power Centre in Worksop. Thanks to John Savage, its director, for allowing us use of the facilities. Of course, data capture is extremely important, whether we're talking research and development, diagnostics, fault finding, etc., things that we want to try and measure. And that could be any number of parameters. But our focus here is hydraulics, and I want to introduce today the Hydrotechnik 5070 handheld instrument that is capable of measuring up to 42 channels. So let's have a look at the unboxing and what you get in this kit from Hydrotechnik. So opening it up, as you can see, in a nice rugged case, again suitable for throwing in the back of a van or for flights, etc. Sealed with nice foam cutouts to hold everything securely. And what we have, first of all, of course, around the outside, you'll see are the cables that we would use for connecting to the handheld unit, and along with some sensors. But like a lot of the Hydrotechnik product, it's configurable so that when you order something like this, you can specify what you want to be in the kit in the way of sensors, whether that be for flow, temperature, pressure, etc. Now, the main crux of all of this, of course, is the data gathering, which is this handheld device that we have here. Nice rugged casing, which obviously nice bright display. Also easy to use buttons, very important when you're out on site because often you'll be wearing gloves. So nice to have these simple to use buttons to navigate around the screen. This is also, of course, configured with cables to allow you to connect to a PC to upload data from the instrument. But the battery life on here is pretty good. It's up to 10 hours with a recharge time of 2 hours. And as I said, it can capture up to 42 channels. It can also not just capture that data from those channels, but it can then interpolate between them. So if you want to look at a differential between two sensors, you can do that. Now what it does is it records test files, and it can hold up to 500 test files on its 4 GB memory card built in, and each test file can hold up to 6 million readings per file. So quite a lot of events that can be captured. What's brilliant though is that we can also set events we want to capture, so we can pre-configure it to start recording when something happens. And that way we can then see exactly what we're looking for in the data. So in the bottom of the case, of course, below the sensors, apart from the data collector itself, we've got the various other bits that go with it, including a flow block, for example, to tap into the system. And then we've got the various probes, etc., that might go within the kit. So all round, this is a brilliant bit of kit for collecting a lot of information, whether that be in Formula One terms or whether it be with mobile plant in, say, construction, quarrying, etc., those kind of environments, because this can actually tap into either existing sensors on the vehicle or the machine, and it can read CAN bus. It can also read 420 milliamp and various other types. It's also got ISDS. This is just a brilliant tool to be able to capture that information, to upload that to the PC, and to also just on the unit itself go through those readings at the machine and look at the data that you've captured. Thank you very much.